In Japan, only 3.6% of adults are obese, compared to over 40% in the United States. And here's what's wild. Japanese people eat rice with almost every meal, enjoy afternoon desserts with friends, and rarely spend hours at the gym. So, what's their secret? Today, I'm breaking down 7 simple habits that Japanese people use to stay naturally slim, and I'll show you exactly how to use them in your own life. Real quick, if you want more content like this, hit subscribe. Seriously, it helps the channel and you'll get notified when I drop new videos. Okay, let's get into it. Habit number 1. The 80% rule, known as Hara Hachi Bu. It means eat until you're 80% full. Not stuffed, not uncomfortable, just satisfied. And this might sound simple, but it's backed by research. A 2024 study in the International Journal of Epidemiology tracked 89,000 Japanese adults and found that this one habit was one of the strongest predictors of maintaining healthy weight for life. Here's why it works. Your brain needs about 20 minutes to register that your stomach is full. So when you eat until you feel completely stuffed, you've already overeaten by the time your brain catches up. Most of us have been trained since childhood to clean our plates. Finish everything. Don't waste food. But your body doesn't actually need that much. So here's how you start practicing this today. Use smaller plates. Sounds too simple to work, but it genuinely tricks your brain into thinking you're eating more. Eat slower. Put your fork down between bites. And here's the key. Stop eating when you feel comfortable, not full. If hunger is a 1 and stuffed is a 10, you want to stop around a 7 or 8. Wait 20 minutes before you decide if you want more food. Most of the time, you won't. Habit number 2. Walk everywhere. Japanese people aren't gym rats. They just walk. The average person in Japan walks 6,000 to 8,000 steps daily without even thinking about it. They take trains, they walk to shops, they walk to work. And look, I know that sounds basic, but here's what nobody talks about. Walking doesn't just burn calories while you're doing it. It actually improves your metabolism throughout the entire day. It regulates your blood sugar. It reduces stress, which is huge for weight gain. If you walk 30 minutes a day, you burn around 150 calories. That's 4,500 calories a month. Over a pound of fat lost just from walking. You don't need to live in Tokyo to do this. Park at the far end of the parking lot. Take the stairs. Walk during your lunch break for 15 minutes. If you work from home like me, set a timer and walk for 10 minutes every 2 hours. Download a step tracker on your phone. You don't need a smart watch. Just move more. Your body will thank you. Habit number 3. Green tea all day. Instead of soda or sugary coffee drinks, Japanese people drink green tea. And before you roll your eyes thinking this is some wellness influencer nonsense, a study from September 2024 in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that people who drank green tea regularly lost more weight and body fat than people who didn't, especially when they exercised. 3 to 4 cups sounds like a lot, but it's actually not. Here's how you start. Replace 1 sugary drink per day with green tea. That's it. Drink it plain or add a little lemon. No sugar. Brew it at 160 to 180 degrees, not boiling water that makes it bitter, for 2 to 3 minutes. If you hate hot tea, try cold brewed green tea. Same benefits. Just don't drink it right before bed because it has caffeine. Cut yourself off by 3 or 4 p.m. Habit number 4. Small portions, big variety. Instead of one giant plate of food, Japanese meals are served with several small dishes. It's called ichiju sansai, which basically means 1 soup, 3 side dishes, and rice. Each portion is small, but you get to taste a bunch of different things. And this is psychological genius. When you see multiple plates of food in front of you, your brain thinks you're eating a ton, even though the total amount is way less than a typical Western meal. Plus, you're getting more nutrients from different sources. Your body feels satisfied because it's not just eating the same thing over and over. You can do this at home. Instead of 1 big dinner plate, use 2 or 3 smaller bowls. Include at least 1 vegetable, 1 protein, and 1 whole grain. Add a bowl of soup to your plate. Chicken soup, vegetable broth, whatever's easy for you. Keep each portion to about a cup or less. Habit number 5. Eat slowly. Japanese people take their time with meals. They slow down, they're mindful, and they actually enjoy their food. And when you eat slowly, 3 things happen. You give your brain time to catch up with your stomach. You chew more, which helps digestion. And you're actually aware of what you're eating, so you make better choices. Research shows that fast eaters are way more likely to be overweight. So here's what you do. Put your fork down between bites. Chew each bite 20 to 30 times. I know that sounds ridiculous, but try it once. You'll be shocked how fast you normally eat. If you're eating with someone, have an actual conversation. Turn off the TV. Put your phone face down. Set a timer for 20 minutes and try to make your meal last that long. The biggest mistake? Eating while scrolling or watching Netflix. You'll eat way more and not even enjoy it. Habit number 6. Whole foods, not processed junk. The traditional Japanese diet is fish, vegetables, rice, soybeans, seaweed, and fruit. Processed food exists in Japan. Fast food is there, but it's not the default. Whole foods are lower in calories but higher in nutrients and fiber. You feel full longer without overeating. A study in the British Medical Journal followed over 92,000 Japanese people for 15 years. Those who ate a traditional Japanese diet had way lower risk of death from heart disease and stroke. The people eating Western diets and processed foods, higher obesity rates. You don't need to eat perfectly. Just start making small swaps. Replace white rice with brown rice. Eat fish twice a week. Salmon, mackerel, sardines. Add seaweed to soups. It's loaded with minerals and has basically no calories. Choose fresh fruit instead of cookies. Habit number 7. Japanese people eat what's in season. And they eat fermented foods daily. Miso, natto, pickled vegetables, yogurt. Seasonal eating means you're getting fresh, nutrient-dense food at its peak. But fermented foods? That's where it gets interesting. Fermented foods have probiotics, healthy bacteria that improve your gut health. And your gut bacteria actually influence how your body stores fat, regulates hunger hormones, and manages inflammation. A 2025 study in diabetes, obesity, and metabolism looked at over 17,000 Japanese adults and found that eating fermented foods regularly was linked to better weight management. You can start adding these to your diet right now. Start your day with miso soup. You can buy instant miso paste at any grocery store. Add Greek yogurt or kefir to your breakfast. Try kimchi as a side dish. Put sauerkraut on your sandwich. Eat seasonal produce from your local farmer's market. It's cheaper and tastes better. Easy recipe. Boil 2 cups of water. Add dried seaweed and tofu cubes. Remove from heat. Stir in 1 or 2 tablespoons of miso paste. Done in 5 minutes. Here's what makes this different from every diet you've tried. These aren't restrictions. Japanese people don't think I can't eat this or I need to lose 10 pounds by next month. They just focus on nourishing their body and enjoying food in moderation. You don't need to do all 7 habits perfectly starting tomorrow. Pick 1, maybe 2. Start there. Once those feel natural, add another. These habits stack. Walking more makes you feel better, which makes you want to eat healthier. Eating slowly helps you notice when you're 80% full. Drinking green tea instead of soda cuts calories without feeling like you're depriving yourself. Drop a comment and tell me which one you're starting with. I actually read these. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs to see it. Subscribe if you haven't already. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one.